Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video about the message I left on the Sony community forum about adjusting the volume of the audio optical output of the TV. So it isn't possible to adjust the volume with the remote of the TV, but you can adjust the volume with the advanced settings, and I will show you. I'll play the video. So via action menu, sound, advanced settings, and there it is, the volume of the optical outputs. So less or more. Okay. So if I want to pause the video, I have to go back first. I can pause it. So it is inconvenient to to control this volume, and of course, if you are watching a video, etc., listening to music and so on, and I think the engineers of Sony can easily make that happen, assigning this button to the volume of the optical output, because it is possible inside the settings, advanced settings. So and I use that great thing. It's a Cambridge Audio DAC, and it has an optical input. It doesn't have any HDMI. So this is my setup. Thank you for watching.